fake out, nigga. Fuck wrong with these niggas, man, you know what I'm talking about. Real diamond, nigga, around the city, Mac chicken shit, nigga.
Young rich nigga, run the city with the Mac chicken, chopping the chicken, then what's the ticket? Whipping and breaking and making the tucking, the nigga, they must think I'm selling that midget.
Nah, for real.
What the fuck a nigga really wanna talk about? Shit. You a beast, we ain't got nothing to talk about. Shaking like a stripper, put that Mac chicken up in his mouth. Skip with the flip when he told me weigh it up and bust it down. Nigga Jerry whipping the lemon, now watch him swerve. J1 got PTs and so they reserve. I'm a hot boy, so you know I gotta stay low. Grandma told me trap on the block and bang him like OJ Mayo. You niggas are wicked, but you take off on my vet. Set, told me trapping and dabbing, gon' get that pussy wet. No crocodile done this thing right back. Whatever I wanna do, I do it. Knock your check, do it. I'm a young nigga with the rich nigga ambition. Hey, the Migos show a nigga autograph and titties. There's levels to this shit like me said, and you embarrassed to admit it. I don't wanna kick it. After my show, the gangster is nigga, he looking suspicious. Walk right up on her, on pressing my nigga, and all he wanted was a pitch. I used to smoke swishers like a regular nigga. Now I'm a bad what type of nigga. A nigga he ran no truck to rub. I shot him by people that still treat me like I'm a victim. They screaming out free activists, they talking about that activists be discontinued. Check my couple mother trouble, got passing that ad, they kept me round with passing my rental. Track down when I'm on the revenue. Track taking the brick and we missing.